Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can get any programming code using ChatGPT. First you have to have open ChatGPT right on Google. Now I want a school management system in Python. So you can write a code for school management system in Python. So it will be automatically instruct and write a code for us. You can see here, you can copy this code and you can use and edit this code. You can get any code in any language. You will get any type of program. Like I want to write a code in Java for room booking. You can see it's writing. You can use this this AI bot for many problems solving. Thanks.